am back with a very exciting video. I'm going to be doing an Amazon try-on haul on some pieces that I recently got from the brand Luvamia. I'll link them all below. But I'm very excited because I have my best friend with me right here who is going to be rating these outfits and telling you guys what she thinks about them. So here is my best friend, Janine.
Hi, Fabi.
Hi, bestie.
Hello.
I am so glad to have you back on my channel. It's been so long since we last did a collab together.
Yes, it has. It's been at least a good year. The last time we did the collab together.
I think so. I can't believe it's been that long.
I know. I was so excited. Thank you so much for having me on your channel. It's always just, I've been counting down the days for this day to finally happen. And
Me too, bestie.
it's just an honor to be on your channel, and I'm just so truly blessed to have you as my best.
Oh, bestie, you're the best. You guys know I always talk about my best friend Janine. She's literally like the best, and we're always texting back and forth. We send each other items, and we always like to be twinning. So she's definitely my best friend, and of course I had to invite her to my channel and have her here on camera with me. So are you ready, bestie?
I'm ready to rate your outfits. Let's do this.
So I do have 6 outfits, and most of them are all like winter items. So I wanted to get this video out before spring starts. So that way, if you want to get these items, you can go ahead and purchase them. I'll leave the links to the Amazon store down below. So let me go ahead and show you outfit number 1. Okay, so here's outfit number 1. It's a blazer, and this blazer is so pretty. Like, I can't believe this is actually from Amazon. The quality is really nice. I think it's definitely very comparable to those like high-end blazers. And it does have this like little button here that you can just tie it in the front, but basically it's like open here and then open in the bottom. And I just styled it with some black leggings and then these like white booties and a Chanel purse. What do you think, bestie, on this outfit? What would you rate it? I would say from like 1 to 5.
You look hot, seriously. I love blazers personally, and I think it just makes the woman look just very more feminine, very just sophisticated looking, you know? And you look really good, bestie. I love it.
Thank
and
you.
You're wearing it with, what are you wearing it with? What type of shoes again?
They're just these like white booties. I don't know if you can see them.
Okay. No, that's definitely cute. I definitely a 5.
So a 5. I really like it too. I think like the quality is like so nice. I am really impressed with this blazer. Like, this is definitely a really nice one. Okay, so here's outfit number 2. It's this super adorable cardigan sweater. It's so pretty. I love that it has this like slit detail on both sides. And it's more like on the loose fitting. This one here, I believe is a size medium, but it's so like beautiful. And it doesn't have any buttons, so it's almost like just like an open cardigan. But I really like it. I think it's very soft, very comfy. And I did style it with some leggings and then some high knee boots. And then I styled it with this really cute heart purse since it's Valentine's. And I think it looks super cute because I'm also wearing this pink top. So what do you think about this outfit?
I definitely love the pink and the black going on that you have, okay? And I definitely would sport it with your pink heart purse you got there. And I'm loving it. I would totally rate that outfit at 5. I'm loving the slit. It gives it a very, like a sexy, sassy look still.
Yeah.
Covered. But, you know, you're dressing with class, and I really love it. It looks like one of those sweaters you would purchase from Zara. It looks very high-end. Yeah, I love it on you, bestie. Really, it looks really cute on you.
It is really cute, and it does have like little side pockets too. I forgot to mention that, but it's definitely like really pretty. And you're right, it definitely does look like those high-end sweaters. And the quality is like really nice as well.
Is that's a Kate Spade purse you were mentioning?
This one, yeah, it's a Kate Spade. I actually got this last year and it sold out within like a few weeks. but they're back again. So if you're looking for this bag, Kate Spade has tons of them right now on their website, and they do have like multiple colors. So now is the time to get this bag because it was so popular last year. Okay, so here's outfit number 3. It is this super cute sweater dress, and it's like a sweater dress, but you can also style it with like leggings if you don't feel comfortable using it as a sweater dress. I think it's pretty long that you can definitely style it as a dress, and it's so pretty. It's in this like really nice, it's almost like this like soft brown color. It has like buttons all the way down, and it is absolutely gorgeous. And I styled it with these knee-high boots, which are like suede, and they're super cute. And then my favorite Louis Vuitton Alma little bag, which is my favorite. But I really like the way that this outfit looks. So what do you think on this outfit, Bestie?
Okay, you want me to give you my true, honest opinion?
Yes, and it's not, I can't believe that I'm wearing all these outfits and none of them are pink.
I was just gonna throw that at you. That's yes. Okay, so now we got a little issue because we don't have no pink going on in here, but definitely a 5 because again, you rock it very well. You're definitely gonna be turning a lot of heads when you wear that outfit, especially with your boots. I'm wearing the high boots on you. Very sexy looking, and honestly, I just seen a sweater similar to that at Macy's, so definitely from my end, it looks very high end. I mean, it's something that I would look at, I would purchase. It looks very cute with your high boots, and of course, you definitely gotta rock it with that Louis Vuitton purse, girl.
You know that.
Rock style.
So here's outfit number 4. I told you I got the same sweater in 3 colors. And this is the other shade. It's this beautiful like light, it's like a light pastel yellow, which I think is so pretty and very unique. And I really love the color. It also has like the same details like the buttons, and it has like little front pockets. It's super soft, very, very warm. And I styled this with my beautiful Coach purse that I got a few years ago for Mother's Day. I think I got it like 3 years ago, but it's my favorite and I really, really love it. And then I am wearing my black Gucci tights, which are so pretty. I love them. And I am wearing these little booties to match it. But I really like this outfit. I think the yellow is definitely very pretty, which I'm not really used to wearing. But what do you think about this one, Bestie?
Okay, that one is super, super adorable on you. Super cute. I'm loving the color. Your girl over here is all bright color. Spring is coming.
Yes.
Definitely, it shows your figure, which you look amazing in it. Like I said, it goes back to, girl, you're always looking on point. Okay? Let's be real. Yeah, go into more colors, and that definitely looks super cute on you. I would purchase that sweater.
Thanks, Bestie.
It's definitely high end. Yes.
Okay, so here's outfit number 5. Again, it's the same sweater, but it's black. And I really like this. I'm not used to wearing like a lot of black. I'm usually like wearing white or pink. But I really like this sweater and how it looks in black. I think it looks very dressy. But again, you can dress it up or down depending on what you're wearing. So I did style this with the high knee boots that I had earlier. And then I am wearing this super adorable Louis Vuitton purse, and it's pink with little pink LVs all over, just to give it a little bit of Valentine's inspired look. But I really like the way that this black like sweater dress looks. What do you think, Bestie, on this outfit?
You already know, girl. I'm gonna make that another 5. You know, I get it. I've done that too when you really like something and you end up just ordering the same style but just different colors.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. So, no, definitely I would make that a 5. It really looks high end. I mean, I like the way you're rocking it. You're wearing it with your... I definitely would rock it with those high boots that you're wearing.
Yeah, these.
It's definitely for a date night. I mean, that's super cute. And even again, like if you want to wear it to work, you can wear it with black leggings underneath.
Yeah.
You know, but definitely I like the way you do the pink in there, sis.
I'm like, I have to add some pink. Okay, so this is the last outfit, number 6. And I know it's not a winter outfit, but I think it's absolutely adorable. And to be honest with you, at the beginning, I was like, I don't know if I really like it, but now I kind of really do like it. So it's like a romper, and it almost looks like a dress. Like if you see it from far away, it looks like a dress. But it's actually a romper. It has like shorts, and it's very nice because it's super soft. It's like very flowy. It does have this like little tie here that you can like use like a little belt just to kind of like give you a little bit more definition on the waist. And the back is so pretty. So it has like this open back. I don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely really, really pretty. And I think the length is perfect. I did style it with this white Chanel purse, and then I have these white booties to go with it. But I really like it. What do you think on this one, bestie?
You know what? Spring is coming right around the corner, and I think it's super cute on you. Again, everything and anything you put on looks adorable. I love the little flow of it. It's not too like form, but it does give you that shape that you're looking for.
Yeah.
So, you know what I mean? And I like it. I like the little belt, and you definitely, like I said, you could dress that up or down. So I really like it.
So you would say you said you would rate it a 5?
I would, yeah, definitely. And you could even wear that to work, bestie. You know.
So my best friend rated all my outfits a 5. She would definitely purchase those for herself. She loved them as well as I did. I really loved all the outfits. I think my favorite was definitely the yellow dress. And to be honest with you, I really like this one. I feel like I'm looking forward to like the spring and summer so that I can wear this outfit the way it is, because I really like how it looks. So I am so excited. Thank you so much, bestie, for being here today with me in my channel and rating my outfits. I had so much fun having you in today's video, and I really hope we can do this again, bestie.
Of course, you know I'm always here for you. I always will be. And whenever you're ready, you know, for me to be on your channels as a guest, you know, I'm here. I'm down for you, girl. So, yeah, definitely whenever you're ready, bestie. It was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.